Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Payhip account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently delete your Payhip account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently delete and close out your Payhip anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to sometimes switch over to different software. So maybe you want to go ahead and close down your Payhip. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Payhip dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Payhip, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently close down your Payhip account, you want to click on your account button here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click on settings, this gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this blue menu here at the top, and you want to click on login settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these two options, general and account. You want to click on account. Okay, once you click there, in order to permanently close down your Payhip account, you want to click on this button, delete account. Okay, once you do that, they're going to ask why you want to permanently delete your Payhip account. So just choose whichever one applies to you. Once you've chosen, they ask you to type in something else. Okay, and then what you want to do is check right here, confirming that you understand by proceeding that your account is going to be permanently deleted. So make sure that you export your customers before you delete your account. And when you're ready, click on this red button, delete my account. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Payhip account. But there you have it, guys. If you're looking to permanently delete your Payhip account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.